Morning, everyone. It's Friday morning, end of the week, about 5 minutes to 9. I couldn't wait any longer to do this. I was waiting for the March PPI numbers, which have not yet been released. They're 55 minutes late. Evidently, there is some problem with the BLS website, so they have not released them. Excuse me, I'll put out a flash when they do come up. So we had some interesting news overnight. Impossible Foods, the plant-based food company, is talking about an IPO with a valuation of about $10 billion. Fubo TV, FUBO, $22.64, up $1.94 on some news that they secured a contract for international soccer. Speaking about international, Boeing again in the news with the 737 MAX. They have an electrical, quote, production issue on some of them. They say that it is only a specific number of planes produced at a specific time, I'm assuming in a specific location, but these guys just cannot get it right. I mean, this plane has had problem after problem, and you really have to question their quality control issues. Celcuity, CELC, has a breast cancer drug. It's signed with Pfizer for worldwide commercialization of that drug. The stock, which closed $14.31 yesterday, is currently $23.66, up $9.34, or roughly 65%. Taiwan Semiconductor beat top and bottom and gave positive guidance and is basically unchanged. Last is 123.01, down 42 cents, not even worth looking at from the standpoint of net change. The stock and the group have been up lately, so this was pretty much expected. And Honeywell raised to a buy from hold at Deutsche Bank. The stock is $223.50, up $3.64, 1.7%. And the new price objective at Deutsche Bank is $244. Also on the earnings side, we have Levi Strauss beating both top and bottom line, giving good guidance. The stock, which was around 25 yesterday, has traded as high as 27.77, and the last is 26.10, up 241, or roughly 10%. And Amazon says that about 70% of the votes that they have counted in Alabama on the unionization issue are anti-union. So we'll see how that shakes out. They still have more votes to count. And Bernie Sanders, I guess, is down there trying to stir things up and being fairly unsuccessful with it. And last but not least, Alibaba is back on China's shit list. Only way to say it. Not the company per se, but Jack Ma. The government has canceled a contract for their business school. Looks like it's going to be shut down. Okay, the market was up 71 before the PPI news was due. It's now up only 49. The NASDAQ is down 85. It was down 42, and the S&P, which was up 3, is now down 4. Asia and Europe are lower, and the gold is a huge disappointment. It's still an inside day, hasn't broken the lows from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but it is down $21. It did a lot of work in here. This is a huge disappointment. I mentioned last night that it was going to run into this 50-day moving average and that might turn it down. I did not expect to see it down $21 this morning. All right, everyone. be careful out there. I will text the PPI numbers as soon as I see them. Have a good day and a nice weekend.